Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would just this isn't a tutorial on how to draw a mandala. I have some on my channel, and if I remember I'll link those right there in the right hand corner. It's just kind of to show how I made this one, what I used, and this and that maybe it'll give you some inspiration. I first started off with, this is just acrylic paint, and it's got like a shine to it, like a metallic. It was actually a jelly print, like I was cleaning my brayer. I don't waste anything. And I thought it was a really pretty color, so I started from there. And this is the tool that I use. I love this thing. And I have a mandala shortcut video on how I use this to make these without so much measuring. Like, I don't really have to do much measuring with this. I'll put it right here, the video link right here, if I remember. Hopefully I remember to do this so that you guys can check that video out on how better to use this. And I will leave a link to this on Amazon, because these are a little hard to find, in the description box below. And this is pretty cheap, and it's got so many uses. I use it all the time. So I don't even think, actually, to tell you the truth, I don't even know how to use all of this part here, but I'm sure I should actually do a video on this and learn it. But I use it for this part more, and making circles and stuff. It's pretty cool. So I use that, and the video will show you more like how I do it without having to do so much measuring. It's super simple. And after that, I decided to draw a gem in the middle, and I do have tutorials on how to make gemstones on my channel. You can check those out. They're in a playlist. If I remember to link them, I will. So I made the gemstone after I had it all the circles drawn out. And let's see, what else did I use here? Oh, the little, can you see the darkened edges of the little, like right here, it's a little bit darker. I used graphite, and then I used white gel pen. Here I used watercolor pencil, and then I used a white gel pen. And along this edge here, this is actually a watercolor pencil too. And I just use these water brushes. They're so convenient. I also have those in my Amazon store in the link below. Check them out. They're a good price on there, and you can support my channel. Let me see what else. That might be about it. The yellow here is also a watercolor pencil. And I just kept highlighting and shading and highlighting and shading. And that's how I made this. Super simple. It doesn't have to be very complicated. Mandalas are very forgiving the way I make them in this video that I will link up in the corner there. And they're very relaxing, because you don't have, like Zentangle, you have to think a lot about, I don't know. I like to make mandalas when I don't have to think, because same pattern over and over and over and over. And I just really take my time and shade and color in and stuff like that. So I hope this helped. I just wanted to show it because they're pretty popular and I don't make them very often. So please check out the other videos on my channel. I have a lot of drawing videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.